You just tell me, what do you think this is and what color? If you've watched my wish list video, you would actually know what this is and the color. I'm so excited. Let's get to the unboxing. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, hello, my name is Flossie. I do things relating to fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And we also love to dibble and dabble into luxury. We love a luxury review, luxury haul, like today. If it's your vibe and you kind of just like literally clicked into my channel, or you've seen a few videos and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'd love to have you here. Nothing but positive vibes, the good energy here. So today I have got, this is my most, like, literally, this is one unboxing that this is the one, I love everything I got for my birthday, but this is the one major one that I am super excited that I actually was not expecting. I actually did not see this coming, and I am so happy. I am so blessed that I've been able to get this and tick it off. I'm not really a jewelry person, but I'm trying to get into that jewelry kind of vibe, and I love this. This is actually one thing that caught my eyes. I'm so happy. I'm so excited that I got this. I have actually not worn this. I did get this. This has a story. All these special things always have a story to it. So this is a VCA Van Cleef. Your girl's got a Van Cleef booklet. Little booklet about it, you know. There, and then you've got the authentication certificate over there. So I'm like literally happy. I was able to get this from, you know what, I was actually just walking into Harrods, and I decided to, like, you know what, because this is one particular item that is always sold out. I'm not joking, the particular color. But let's do the unboxing and tell you a little bit about the story, how I was able to get this. So got this Van Cleef, beautiful white box. I love this, like literally the velvet, the lime color. I love this. Like, look at that, it just opens there, you take it out from there like so, and I got this. I got this. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I'm so, like, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. So I've got the Van Cleef Alhambra bracelet in malachite. This is the only color that literally, this and the gold one, but this was my top one. I was like, if I don't get the malachite, I'm not interested. So I actually love this. So when I went in, I decided to take a walk, and like, you know what, okay, since I'm not getting a Hermes bag this year, let's just try and see if we can get the Van Cleef, because it was either the Van Cleef last year or the Hermes bag, you know, whatever. But I was able, they didn't have this, so I decided to, like, just take a walk and say, let's try. So I walked into the Van Cleef store in Harrods, and I just, like, just a coincidence, like, just to ask if, I don't know, just let me just see if you've got this. And I wanted the malachite, and they're like, you know what, we just had two that came in last night just before the shop closed down, so they brought these two different ones for me. So obviously the malachite, to my understanding, is they actually told me it's a very delicate stone, and you're not supposed to shower with it and all that shebang. And I'm like, don't worry, I ain't showering with that. It's too damn expensive to be showering with it and stuff. I just put it on. I need to go out and put it, because of my job, I can't even afford to be putting it on always. So they brought two different ones, and they've all both got different shades to it, but I liked the darker tone, the darker green, so I went with this. I love this, it's so beautiful. And I think it was just literally before they had the price increase or something like that, and I tried it on. I really loved it. They brought the other tones, the other shade. They had the Algate, they had the I think the black one or something, I can't even remember their name, it's not my favorite. They had the red one, something, but for me, but and they also had the mother of pearl, which I thought that was actually very pretty. But for me, still the best for me was the malachite, so I decided to go with the malachite. And they tried it on me. They kind of did the measurement on my wrist, and they told me if they can take it away, I might not get it in time for my birthday, because it takes like 4 to 6 weeks or so. But funny enough, I think it was ready within 3 to 4 weeks. So I went back and I picked it up, and I was so happy, literally gassed. I'm so happy. So literally it comes in this, and then the extra link that they took off, they put it in here, so it's there for whenever, in case someone puts on weight or whatever, I don't know, but it's there, or if I decide to sell it, I guess. but I am so happy. Like, I'm so gassed. I'm really excited. This is not the last of the VCA collection. I'm literally gonna get another one. I love the pure gold one. I think that's so pretty, so beautiful. So I've actually put my name on the wish, like on the waiting list for that, because also that one it's not always available. So but the service, I must say, I got in Van Cleef was amazing. They were so nice. It was even the manager, I think the store manager that attended to me, and he was amazing. He was lovely, made me so comfortable, and definitely I'm so impressed. Love it. So I'm happy that this is the beginning of my journey when it comes to jewelry. Like, you know what, fine jewelry, luxury jewelry, love it. It's an 18 karat gold malachite. Love it. Green for me is the best. It's wealth, it's growth, it means so much to me, and green at the moment is one of my colors that are my go-to colors, so why not? But yeah, I really love this. I am happy that I've finally been able to show you guys my VCA Van Cleef Alhambra in malachite. I'm so happy. I'm happy that I've been able to get it. Now I can wear it freely, easily, and also wear it with extra care, because that is like my baby right now. If you do have a VCA, can you tell me if you've got the malachite? Tell me, what is the aftercare? How is it like years after, and things like that? And also, what's your view about like maybe the customer service you received there, or did you buy it online or something? I would love to know. With all that being said, if you do not follow your girl on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Flossy Insights. You see me do some styling pieces, and you also see me do some little unboxing reels here and there. Yeah, I'm so excited, and this literally is the unboxing done for my birthday, so now I can wear things freely and comfortable without feeling guilty that I haven't shown it to you guys yet. But I'd love to know what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot with my YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to tell your friends about Flossy Insights. And I hope you're enjoying this lovely weather. It's a bye for me now. Take care. Bye.